going? Today we're gonna be working on this Kia Rondo. So we're gonna do winterize on this car. So the reason we're doing this is because the customer was complaining that he doesn't have like a sufficient heat in the car. So that's why we had to flush his heater core. That's basically the cheapest way to approach the whole thing. The main issue that we're gonna be focused on is the heating element. So the customer is experiencing the heat inside is not sufficient. It's blowing heat, but it's not that much. It's a little bit cooler. So we want to try to diagnose what the issue might be. So we're gonna go step by step what to look for. So the first thing I would check is here is the coolant freezing point. So you have to make sure. So right now it's full. So you can see it's about 45 degrees here. So this is 45 Fahrenheit, negative 45. So these are good. So the freezing point is good on the coolant in the car. So the next thing that we have to check is to look for a thermostat. So usually thermostat is located at the upper radiator hose. It's like somewhere around here. So while the car is warm, you have to touch these upper radiator hose, and then you have your lower radiator hose, which is down here. It's a little bit hard to see. So this is the lower. So the temperature between both of them, it should be similar. If it's one is really cold, one is hot, and then you got an issue with the thermostat, so you need to replace your thermostat. And then you got both of them really cold. That means you still have issues with your thermostat. That means thermostat is wide open. If the temperature is the same, hot, that means the thermostat is good. So we have to move now to diagnosing other stuff. So the next thing we need is to look at the heater core. So I gotta put one of these containers to collect the coolant here. So down here. So these are the heater core hoses. Backed off this clamp. You need one of these needle nose pliers here. You see if it's a little bit stiff, like ours is stiff, so I have one of those heaters. So I gotta heat it up a little bit, the hose, so that way it's easier to kind of spin it, you know. You gotta make sure like you don't break the heater core because it's aluminum, so it's easy to break. See here? So this is off. Clamps down. We pull that. And this side is off as well. Alright, so I got those hoses here. So I took those connections from the heater hose, so I could put those in there instead of those, and we're gonna run water through there. Take this, do the same thing here. So we're gonna run water through here, and the coolant, the other water is gonna come through here. So that's how we're gonna flush the heater core. So we got a little garden hose here. So we're just gonna run it through here, water through here, and it's gonna come up there. You see here? It's gonna come here. So that's how you flush the heater core. If you have to do it a few times, you could do it. Especially if you run hot water, it'd be better. But if you got cold water, it's fine too. So this looks pretty good right now. So we're gonna put the back hoses, and we'll see if it's gonna come on. Yeah, it feels much better than what it was. Sometimes you can have air trapped. So make sure you leave the radiator cap open, so you have some of that air coming out. Okay, so until next video, guys, check us out at autotips.ca. We're always gonna come with some new videos. Thanks for watching.